In this video, we'll show you how to fix components using UV glue. Magnetic nugget allow you to quickly attach to any iron or metal surface, making installation easy and convenient. See? Once the magnetic accessory is secured with UV glue, the user experience is completely different. Now, let's see how can we use our GLUV glue curing kit to perform this processing. You can trim the plastic needle tip a little, just don't make the opening too large, because if it's too big, it will be difficult to control the flow of the UV liquid. Be sure to put the cap back on the UV glue immediately to prevent the glue inside from aging. After drawing the UV glue, you should squeeze out any air bubbles inside the syringe. The magnetic nugget is movable, but it can also fall out easily. Okay, let's get started. First, apply an appropriate amount of UV glue to one end, making sure it fully covers the side of the magnetic nugget. When using the UV light for accelerated curing, make sure to move the needle tip away. It must not be exposed to the UV light. Otherwise, the UV glue inside will cure quickly, and the needle tip will become unusable. Tips for reusing UV glue. After opening the UV glue, you can use a film layer to help seal it so that it can be used again next time. GLED magnetic nugget, optional for the following aluminum profiles. Please contact us for more details.